This is the door that the storm door is going to be going on. Again, it's a 8-foot door. Is it a 32-inch door?
32.
Yeah, 32 by 96, full view door. So one reason we went with ProVia on this one is, for one, they do a factory installed pet door, and they do an 8-foot storm door. There aren't very many storm door manufacturers that will do an 8-foot storm door, 8 foot tall. Okay, so here we have the door packed for shipment. We just took it out. As you can see, this is an 8-foot door, storm door. So we'll let Pete pop it open. There's the factory installed pet door. Okay, so now the storm door has been installed. So we'll kind of go over some of the features of this door. Again, this is a full 96-inch or 8-foot tall storm door. It's like a half view or a half light with a pet door on the bottom. This is the Freedom pet door from ProVia. All right, we'll go ahead and open the door and kind of show how it works. So first off, we'll open the door. So here's the door in the fully open configuration. It does have a self-closing closer that's color matched to the color of the door. Up there you can see the little bracket up there that I've put in place to hold the door open. So this door, the half view glass, I guess first we'll start with the color of the door. It's the clay color. ProVia offers 16 powder coat finishes on this storm door series. This is a deluxe series, and so on the glass you can actually see kind of these little brackets here that hold it in place, and you can see them all the way up there. There's actually a screen here as well. Maybe if I turn to the side, you can kind of see the screen mesh. It's their better view mesh, which is a finer mesh. Allows for pretty unobstructed viewing through the glass. This is the interior side. You can loosen these brackets here, and then take the screen off, and then flip these over, and it'll hold just the glass in place. So you can take the screen off. Here's an exterior, and there is glass on here. It's a tempered monolithic piece of glass. And so you can have just the glass in there, just the screen in there, or both the glass and the screen. Or I mean, if you don't want anything in there, you can take the glass and the screen out. So it's a nice feature. Right now it's late July here in Texas. You can hear the cicadas chirping in the background. It's a nice 90 some odd degrees with 80% something like that humidity. So this customer is keeping their door closed and keeping the glass in place. Maybe in the fall or winter they'll go with the screen option. And so here is the pet door. Again, it's the Freedom pet door from ProVia. Freedom is like the product name. It's made by a company called PetSafe, and you know, this is, I guess, the how you lock it. You pull this little pin here and you can remove that. And then here's the pet door. So it has a magnetic strip here on the bottom. It'll kind of catch it. That's the interior. Here's the exterior shot. And so they make these in 3 different sizes. This is the large size. The exact dimensions escape me, but ProVia and PetSafe state it's for dogs that weigh up to 100 pounds, which is customers got a pretty nice sized Labradoodle. So it's a good sized pet door for it. They do make a medium, or ProVia offers a medium size, which is for dogs up to 50 pounds, and then an extra large pet door, which is for dogs that weigh up to 200 pounds. So they offer a medium, large, and extra large on these. And this, again, this is a factory installed pet door. I'm not aware of any other storm door manufacturers that offer a factory installed pet door, but ProVia does. So next we'll talk about the hardware. This is the contemporary curved handle set in a black finish. Pretty nice, smooth, easy operation. You can rotate it down or rotate it up to operate it. It's got a keyed lock, pretty simple thumb turn deadbolt on the inside for the lock, and then a simple push, almost like a push button for the hardware. So again, there's a shot of the storm door from the exterior. Hey, will you go open it for me, please? There's a shot of the door closed. Pete will open it for me. It's a nice shot of the door fully opened. You can let go. And there's the self-closing hardware. And again, with the factory installed pet door, nice clean look. I need you to crawl through it. Okay, and so that's it for this video. Again, this is the ProVia Deluxe storm door with factory installed pet door. So that's the final exterior shot. I don't know if it's going to really show up well. Earlier, behind this this piece right here, this is where the actual installation screws are. And one of the final steps is installing this kind of little trim piece around the door to cover up all those fasteners, so you get a nice clean look. And so that's it. If you like the video, please leave a comment, give us a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching.